So your study guide is your mid-chapter quiz. So it is for your mid-chapter quiz. The first thing you need to know how to do is to estimate. For instance, 5 1/9 plus 1 7/8. If you estimate it, 5 1/9 is closer to 5, whereas 1 7/8 is closer to 2. So your estimation will be 7. Remember, 7 over 8 is very close to 1, where 1 over 9 is not close to 1 at all. The second thing you'll need to do is add and subtract fractions. Okay, for instance, if you have 1/3 plus 2/7, you need a common denominator. In this case, they're both primes, so if we multiply them together, we will get 21. Then we need to make like fractions. So we have 7 over 21 plus 6 over 21, and that is equal to 13 over 21. This is in simplest form, so we will box it. The third thing you need to know how to do is to add and subtract mixed numbers. For instance, if you have 8 5/12 minus 2 3/4, then your common denominator would be 12 because 4 goes into 12. We would change 3/4 to 9/12 and keep the 5/12. Okay, here we have a problem. We cannot subtract 9 from 5, so we will have to borrow. So rewriting the problem, 8 5/12 minus 2 9/12. We borrow from the 8, and then we add 12 to the 5. So 12 plus 5 is 17, so we have 7 17/12 minus 2 9/12. Okay, 17 minus 9 is 8, and 7 minus 2 is 5. We can reduce this to 5. 4 goes into 8 twice, and 12 3 times, 5 2/3. So those are the three main things you need to know for your quiz. I also have a couple problems that you need to do and hand in to me via Google Classroom. The first one, we're going to be talking about William. William did 1/5 of his homework in class, and another third on the bus. Question is how much or what fraction of his homework does he have left? The second question involves Dooley. Dooley is making a pen. So he's probably making a pen for his dog or his pig or whatever animal he has. The length of the pin is 6.5 feet. And the perimeter is 23 feet. What is the width of the pin? Okay, please do these two problems and turn them in via Classroom. Comments or whatever will work for me. And study for your quiz.